See if that snags on a branch.
Got it, but this cord is too thin to pull on.
It's just burning my hand. Hang on, let's use this.
I can use my stick to get some purchase on the rope.
And once you've got to turn around the stick, you can then just twist it and it will lock on itself. And use that and then try and pull myself out. Get out of here.
Just the last few steps to the safety of dry land.
Get out of this horrible place. Get moving. Get the blood pumping, get warm again.
But it's a case of out of the frying pan and into the fire.
Okay, you've got to cover your face. Got to cover it now, that's it.